Hey guys, here at Keaty's in Palm Desert, having a little breakfast and coffee with my good friend Sean LaRue. By the way, amazing breakfast here. We were talking about the roller coaster ride the mortgage and the real estate business have been in lately, but right now they're on the way back down, the interest rates.
Interest rates are down about 1% off their highs, actually.
Great news. In the, low fives now?
Yeah, you can get a 30-year fix in the low fives, 5.25.
Yeah, and if you aren't comfortable with that, you can consider an adjustable rate mortgage.
Yeah, you can look at 5, 7, or 10-year fixed rates.
Yeah, and those are in the fours?
Yeah, the ARMs start in the high fours.
Yeah, and just refinance at a later time if you want.
Marry the house and date the rate.
There you go. That saying's been going around. The other day I was talking to a buyer about maybe buying points and seeing if that, is a way to go, and he wasn't quite sure what that was. Maybe you can explain exactly what points are in a loan.
Yeah, buying points are paying discount points. You're paying prepaid interest to lower your interest rate long term. So let's say 1% of your loan amount would equal maybe a quarter to 3/8 reduction in rate.
And I brought that up because, especially for sellers, they're being asked to take a price reduction now instead of paying over because we have had an increase in inventory. Buyers are starting to say, "Hey, will you reduce your price by $20,000?" Something you might want to consider as a seller instead of paying that reduction is paying down their rate by getting a point.
Give the buyer maybe a seller credit to offset some of those closing costs. Maybe give them 1% towards buying down their interest rate long term.
Yeah, you got to get creative. There's lots of ways to do that. Sean LaRue's the guy to talk to at Franklin Loan Center. I know you got digits where they can get a hold of you.
760-835-5663. Give me a call, shoot me a text, and we'll talk about your situation.
There you go. All right, guys. Happy house hunting.